The 7-day ultimatum. Muhoozi versus Kiiza Besigye. You're watching a special legal briefing. The High Court has just lit fuse under one of Uganda's most sensitive political clashes. The Chief of Defense Forces, General Muhoozi of Uganda, has exactly 7 days to answer a human rights lawsuit filed by opposition veteran Dr. Kiiza Besigye and his co-accused Acholi. And as if that deadline wasn't dramatic enough, their main treason trial has collapsed into fresh delays.
My lord, before we go there, before we go there, my lord.
I'm saying we go there, and then you tell me we go back to that. But you know, first of all, then after we go further.
No, we are still at a preliminary hearing, my lord.
You will give both opportunities. So I think you will go there for CDF.
Let's start with what happened in court on Thursday. The treason and misprision of treason case involving Dr. Kiiza Besigye, Lieutenant and Captain Dennis Hola was called before Justice Emmanuel Maguma, but there was a major problem. Only Captain Hola was produced in the dock. Dr. Besigye and Haji Lutale were completely absent.
My lord, the accused persons are not present, citing pending issues between their lawyers and the court. The accused persons are not present in court, citing pending issues between the lawyers and the court.
A visibly frustrated Justice Baguma had no choice but to postpone the entire matter until June the 30th. But he didn't stop there. He issued a production warrant, a direct command to security agencies to physically bring the two absent accused to court on the next day. The message was clear: no more no-shows.
This court will issue production warrant for A1 and A2 for 30th June at 11.
However, the real blockbuster came from a separate legal front. Justice Baguma also issued orders on a human rights enforcement application that Besigye and Lutale filed against General Muhoozi, two other senior military intelligence officers, and the Attorney General.
I have also noted that there is a pending application. Let me handle it and fix it. Otherwise, please look for that case.
Kano Richard Dr. Kiiza Besigye, Adolphe Butare, Bassels, General Muhoozi Kano Kano Peter, Agindisiwe, Lieutenant Kano, Ephraim, Byabahanga, and the Attorney General.
The respondent, take note, is given 1 week to find the reply. That is by 1 week, by 18th. By 18th June.
The allegations are staggering. Applicants claim General Muhoozi personally violated their constitutional rights. As evidence, they point to several social media posts allegedly made by the General on X, formerly Twitter. I will quote one of them directly: "We will hang KB on Heroes Day. That's the best day for him to die." Their legal team argues that such a statement from the sitting Chief of Defense Forces completely destroys the presumption of innocence. They say it interferes with their right to a fair hearing and amounts to psychological torture.
My comrade elaborate, but every time you issue an order that the lawyers access uninterrupted the prison, that order is ignored, every time they ignore those orders, this court encourages them to ignore them by not doing anything about it. Your Lordship, if it continues like this, that we are unable to interview our clients.
Beyond the online threats, the law should also accuse the security agencies of abducting the two men from Nairobi, Kenya, and illegally transferring them back to Uganda. The further urge that trying civilians before the General Court Martial directly violates a previous Supreme Court ruling.
My Lord, we are seeking for your ruling on the pending applications because we made submissions in our application on pending application. We mentioned, my Lord, no, my Lord, we have this application 227, which is against General Muhoozi Colonel Peter Ayimbisiwe, Lieutenant Colonel Ephraim Biaruhanga, and the Attorney General. My Lord, we submitted on Section 8 of the Human Rights Enforcement Act, which commands that court shall stay proceedings. So, my Lord, you cannot proceed to appoint assessors when there is a command of Section 8 that proceedings must be stayed. No, this is what I'm saying, my Lord. But my Lord, I'm still submitting, my Lord. But you are taking me very far, my Lord, because there is Section 8 which commands the court to stay proceedings until the application is disposed of. And I'm addressing you on this application we have. Colonel Dr. Besigye, Obedi Lutale, against General Muhoozi Kainerugaba. Yes, my Lord, but the moment you proceed to appoint the assessors... No.
So what did the judge decide? Justice Baguma ordered General Muhoozi Kainerugaba file a formal defense within 7 days, no extensions, no excuses.
No, but my Lord, we are saying the proceedings must be stayed under Section 8. This is the submission we are making, and no, my Lord, we are saying before you proceed to appoint the assessors, the law commands that the proceedings be stayed.
Outside the courthouse, the lead counsel of the applicant, Arias Lukwago, spoke to the press. He was combative. Starting day, Lukwago said, "We are going to get the notice of motion and start looking for Muhoozi from wherever he is and serve him." He even asked the judge to ease the process of tracking down the general.
We will be back on the 30th of June. In the meantime, there is a constitutional application which has been filed against several respondents, including the CDF, Chief of Defense Forces, and which the court has now fixed for hearing on the 30th, the day they will be produced, 30th of June. He has also given timelines for submissions on all sides, and hearing will take place on that date. According to the judge, would have been a hearing date. That's what he had said on Monday the 8th. I was not present on that day. The team was led by my colleague Arias Lukwago. He had made two orders. One, that as defense counsel, we go to the prison, to Ruzira, yesterday the 10th, and we see our clients. We go with our gadgets, listen to the audio and video evidence, and then come today for hearing. As you are aware, yesterday we went to Ruzira in compliance of the order. We were not granted access. Today we came to court. Our clients, Colonel retired Dr. Besigye and Obed Lutale, were not brought to court. Only the third accused, Captain Ola, appeared. And we informed the court in their absence, according to the laws of Uganda, both the constitution and the written law, a trial cannot proceed in the absence of the accused person. The court can make an order for it to proceed if the accused is in court and misbehaves. Our clients were not in court, they have not misbehaved, therefore no such order could be made. The court today has put off the matter to the 30th of June and also ordered that they be produced on that date. We did not make our complaints regarding yesterday's treatment at Ruzira to the court.
So here we stand, 1 week for General Muhoozi to respond, a production warrant for Besigye and a lieutenant to appear on June the 30th, and a treason trial hanging by a thread. This is a high-wire legal battle with no room for error. We will keep you updated on as the deadline approaches. And before anything,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
will Kiiza Besigye serve Muhoozi successfully? Will Muhoozi appear in court? Remembering that Muhoozi is already defiant on being led by civilian rule. Will Muhoozi finally come under civilian rule?